Hello and welcome to another episode of Roofs by Gary Whillock. This is a very unique project, a roof that we did help with the selection of the tile. We did the carpentry repairs throughout this project, a pretty massive amount. We did all the waterproofing, tearing out the stucco, making sure that it was waterproof to the new flashing. Here you see a guy running around making sure he gets that done. We, of course, had to replace the stucco. We did a wonderful job on the stucco. The dome was rotted. A lot of wood had to be repaired and turned out like this with the new copper roof, all patinaed green. We did an engineered beam on the front entry wall after rebuilding the carpentry and tuck pointing to all the masonry above the roof. And, of course, installed copper coping curved in many locations that turned out just wonderful, as you see here, along with a counter flashing of copper, a copper flat lock blind valley. But what we're here to talk about today is the tile and how to install a lifetime tile. Here you see the guys hustling around, getting ready to set this big tank up on the roof. He's setting down a piece of plywood to set it on. This is actually the product that we used. It's a product called Polyfoam by 3M that we used to install the tile. What they're doing now is just getting set up. Now what you don't see is the 3 days prior to this, at intervals between getting some tile up on the roof, the guys were working hard to make sure they understood the full installation of this tile. Here you see the master of this Polyfoam adhesive. We brought him in from Miami, Florida. That's in a Miami-Dade hurricane zone where they use a lot of the Polyfoam adhesive for tile. It adheres tile much better than screws or nails. Screws or nails can allow the bottoms to lift. It is probably superior to most anything out there to install, and of course made by 3M. We have incredible faith in that product. Now here you see the final teaching of how to use the containers, how to use the spray, and also how to make sure that the mix is correct. They have a scale that they actually weigh to make sure that the balance of the two products that are being mixed together in this spray gun are adequate to use and are going to adhere. And they have to recheck that every once in a while. But here you see the trainer showing the guys actually how to get started, how to install this tile without the use of nails that they're so used to doing. There was 2 guys on the crew that actually had experience with it, but they too had to get certified before we'd let them get started on the project. This is an enormous mansion in Austin on Lake Travis, obviously, on the bluffs of Lake Travis. That's why it's a high wind risk, and we wanted to get this where it would stay. The prior roof was done poorly. A lot of issues on that roof, a lot of leaking. It was an 8-year-old home, and over $75,000 of repairs like wood repairs, rotted wood, structural repairs that had been damaged because of the leaking. You see a Tarco PS200 underlayment. That is installed, adhered to a nailed down base sheet, which is the Tarco Easy Lay. Love that combination of product. It is an incredible product. Now here you see the guys are expanding on the tile. They're starting to install the upper tile. The pans were down first, and now they're installing the actual tile on top. They install the foam, as you can see by that, underneath and then set it on. At first, they were a little messy. They got better as they went. There was quite a bit of cleanup on the first sections that they did. This was a large house, and this took days to install. The project took months. This is not a come out and do project in a heartbeat. There was a lot to it, including bringing in structural engineers to help us make sure that everything was back together correctly. Understand the house is on the market today. It's less than $20 million. If you know a buyer that would be interested in that, it's an incredible home. setting high, and we've installed it where this roof will last for 75 years. It's a tile by Varela, imported from Spain. An incredible tile, an incredible job. We enjoyed it.